sorry you missed class today. We would love to have you in Google Meets, but if you were not there, we're going to talk about what we did today and how you can get that done. So up here, I have Schoology, sort of as it looks on your iPad. So you want to make sure you go to Chemistry, which you found this video, so you probably already found this folder. As always, our slides for the day are here. So they're in a page, right? They're right there. You can flip through them, okay, and see what we did. Okay, or if you click on the link up here, it'll open in slides, a copy of them. Okay, so you can see what we did during class with all the directions. Okay, those are always there. The first assignment that I need you to do is this one, 1020 warm-up atom model. Okay, you're going to put this document into Notability. All right. You probably have some files that you can put it into, or some folders in Notability. Then you're going to go to Notability and open it up. So it's just one thing to do here. Okay, you are going to come up with a drawing, right? Come up with a drawing that represents a possible model of an atom. Okay, so you have talked about these in 9th grade science for sure. You have Miss Erickson. And then you probably talked about it in 8th grade, maybe 6th grade, maybe even before that. So a model for an atom is just a way to represent the atom. Okay, so a model in science, okay, is sometimes a drawing and sometimes it's a 3D thing. Okay, but a model, okay, represents something that's real. And models aren't always perfect. In fact, I don't think there is a model that is perfect because you're trying to show something with a model. Okay, so you are going to come up with a drawing that represents a possible model for an atom. Your drawing should have labels, which means like you draw it and then you draw an arrow to a part of it and tell me, write out what that part is. Okay, labels. So you should have some words on your drawing. Do not consult a book, other written resources. Please don't Google. This is just a warm-up for me to see where you're at about atoms. So it's okay if your drawing isn't right or correct. It's just a warm-up. No one else is going to see this but me. Change the ink color on Notability to enhance your drawing. Okay, but in the blue box, you're going to draw a model of an atom. Make sure to include labels and then turn that in, and you're going to turn it into Tuesday, October 20th folder. Okay, so that is the first assignment. Okay. The second assignment, if we back up in Schoology, is 1020, the search for the atom. Okay, so there is a video here to watch. Okay, it's about 5 minutes long, and it goes over the history of how do we know what we know about the atom now. So you're going to just watch that, and then at the end, there's a question for you to answer in this discussion. Okay, it's what role do you think popular belief, so that could just be what kind of everyone is believing in a certain spot in a country or the whole country, or maybe it's a certain religious belief or cultural belief. Maybe it's something your family believes. So popular belief is like non-scientific belief. What impact do you think popular belief has on scientific discoveries? And is there something in today's world, especially right now, that has been overshadowed, a scientific discovery in today's world that has been overshadowed by popular belief? So something scientists discovered or figured out or fixed or found a solution to, and popular belief was like, nah, we're not going to actually do that. So what are some things about our world right now, or maybe in recent history? You can, if you need to, look some things up using Google. You can do that, but there are a couple of things, maybe one that's literally happening right now all over the world, things that are being overshadowed, scientific discoveries being overshadowed by popular belief. So you're going to type your answer in the discussion, okay? So you'll add to the discussion with the plus button there. And then you're going to respond to one other person's post. Okay, to get full points, you want to post your own and then respond to one other person's post. Okay, make sure when you're doing that you're not just saying like one word in response. Make sure we can tell you read it. So you could ask a question about someone's post. You could, in this case, it's an opinion. So you could disagree and tell us why. You could agree and tell us why. You could tell us something that relates to it. So that's how you're going to get full points for this assignment. And those are the 2 assignments we have for today. I hope to see you all in class on Thursday at 9 o'clock.